Get ready to unfold the future. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 has arrived, packed with 20 groundbreaking features that will revolutionize your mobile experience. First off, the sleek new design is a game-changer. Thinner bezels and a fresh camera layout make it a stylish powerhouse. But that's not all. The Z Fold 6 also boasts a durability upgrade with an IP48 rating, protecting it from everyday scratches and scuffs. Plus, the enhanced vapor chamber keeps it cool even during intense use. And the best part? You'll enjoy extra hours of video and audio playback on a single charge, thanks to the efficient processor. The main display now features ultra-thin glass and a less noticeable crease, making it a stunning visual experience. And with a brightness boost to 2600 nits, it's as vibrant as the S24 Ultra. Stay tuned for more exciting features and upgrades in this video. Samsung is offering an unbeatable pre-order deal on the Z Fold 6. Order now and get a whopping $150 discount, plus up to $1,200 off with trade-in deals. You'll also score a free 512GB storage upgrade, a year of Samsung Care Plus, and 5% off for students. And if you're in the market for a new smartwatch or flip phone, be sure to check out the amazing offers on the Watch 6 and Flip 6, link in description. But that's not all. The Z Fold 6 also comes packed with innovative Galaxy AI features. With Sketch to Image, you can bring your sketches to life using AI technology. And with Portrait Studio, you can transform your photos into stunning works of art with multiple styles to choose from. The best part? You can even edit group shots, picking out individual faces and transforming them with ease. Get ready to unlock a world of creativity with the Z Fold 6. The Z Fold 6's revolutionary interpret feature. With conversation mode, you can fold your phone in half and listen to real-time translations as you chat with someone in a different language. The phone displays a live transcript, making it easy for both parties to understand each other. And the best part? You can use this game-changing feature with any app, like WhatsApp, not just the Samsung phone app. Plus, unlock a new dimension of fun by transforming regular photos into stunning 3D images right in the Gallery app. Level up your mobile experience with the Z Fold 6's futuristic AI features. The Circle to Search is now a powerhouse tool that reads QR codes, translates entire screens, and even solves math equations. Plus, the phone's advanced drafting feature helps you craft perfect responses to conversations, taking tone and context into account. Enjoy seamless integration with Google Gemini and the new Google Assistant, which helps with tasks like writing, planning, learning, and even provides screen-related information. You can even use it in split-screen mode on YouTube for detailed video info. The outer screen is now wider and more comfortable to use, making it feel like a regular phone. And with a lighter design, 239G versus 253G in the Z5, you can enjoy extended use without fatigue. While cameras remain the same, the new ultra-wide sensor boasts better low-light performance, and 4K video recording at 120 FPS makes for silky smooth slow-motion footage. Under the hood, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, specially tuned for Samsung, delivers 41% faster AI performance, 25% better graphics, and 14% faster CPU speeds than the Z5. Plus, enjoy 7 years of operating system and security updates, just like the S24 Ultra.